I'm Erin Jeanne McDowell, creator of pie beans. Let me tell you why you need pie beans in your kitchen. Pie beans are the only pie weight designed by a real baker, and you know bakers always make good stuff. There's enough beans in a single set to do the job right. Fill a standard pie pan, a deep dish pie pan, even a springform pan all the way to the top. Best of all, if these get floury or greasy, you put them in the dishwasher bag, you throw them in the dishwasher, they'll be clean again in a snap. Look how easy that was, they're absolutely sparkling. Just pour the beans in the crust and you're ready to bake. Look how lightning fast that was. You following me, camera guy? This is for your pumpkin pie, your coconut cream pie, your cherry pie. Life is hard as it is. You don't need crummy pie weights weighing you down. No more buying multiple sets. No more misleading products that don't even do what they're supposed to. Have you tried dried beans? Dried beans stink. I mean, they work, but they smell really bad. Metal chains aren't heavy enough and they get rusty when you try to clean them. What even are these? They're worthless. Ceramic pie weights are heavy. They roll all around your kitchen. Want to see if your house is level? That's the only time to use them. What are you going to do? Shell out the money to buy 5 sets just to fill a single pie pan? No, you're a baker, not a dummy. You're going to get pie beans. Everyone loves my pie beans. Here's what they're saying on the streets.
I thought I loved beans before, but I can't live without my pie beans.
If you like to bake pie, you'd be out of your mind not to get these.
I can't wait to throw out my stinky old dried beans. Phew! And if you order today, I'm gonna throw in 5 extra beans free of charge for a total of 655 beans. They're gonna think I've gone crazy, but that's how much I want you to try pie beans. Stop making shitty pie, stop having a shitty life. Here's how to order.
To get your bag of pie beans, visit ErinJeanneMcDowell.com. Don't delay. Visit today.